Changing your primary email on BayCoast Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the BayCoast Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select email preferences. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SREC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your email has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your primary email on BayCoast Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.